Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my gold and silver update. I'm JR. Today is the 25th day of 2018, approximately 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern. I'm sorry, 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we're going to do a turbo analysis. We're just going to do gold, silver, as well as the U.S. dollar. I'll start with the U.S. dollar. So the U.S. dollar just broke significant level of support. Anyone trading this market, anyone trading commodities, anyone trading the U.S. dollar needs to realize that this is a very bad thing that just happened to the U.S. dollar. Anyone that can read charts can tell you right now that the dollar is in a lot of trouble. Tremendous amount of trouble. You have to buy gold. You have to buy silver. This is finally the time. I remember back here in 2016. I thought the market was going to break. It didn't break. We had a false breakout. Again, false breakout usually leads to quick moves in the opposite direction. That's exactly what it did. But with that, what it did was it formed a very nasty formation called a broadening formation. Now, I picked up on this broadening formation when we created this high and this level broke. If you've been following my analysis, I've been predicting this nasty broadening formation since we saw this level here break. Once I saw this level here break, I predicted that we were going to continue to go down south to the $90 range. This correction was a lot bigger than what I could have anticipated, but nonetheless, we had a huge breakdown in the dollar here within the last 2 days. Significant break on the dollar. Great time to buy gold. Great time to buy silver. Guys, this is a weekly chart. This is a monthly chart here. And these longer term charts, when they break, it's trouble ahead. Currently, this broadening formation is targeting, as always, these types of formations usually target the origin of the move of the first leg up. So first, we'll target the resistance, now turn support, which is roughly around 84.5. That's the first target right here. The second target is going to be the original, where the original move came from, right? So 78 3/4. That's the next target. But the dollar's in a lot of trouble. You have to be very careful if you're holding dollars, because the dollar currently, it looks like it's going to do nothing but fall. It's just going to continue to fall. And you have to own gold and you have to own silver. And if you don't own cryptos, you have to own cryptos too, because the dollar is in a lot of trouble. And these institutional players, they already see the trouble ahead. Okay, so pay attention to the U.S. dollar. This is a huge red flag for the U.S. dollar. And at this point, we'll look at gold. Gold right now continuing to make higher highs. Gold has a lot of resistance up here around the 1375 area. A lot of resistance. We haven't been at 1375, 1372 since July of 2016. And previous to that, last time we saw 1350 was back here in 2014. I mean, we're talking about levels that haven't been seen since 2014. I've been predicting this gold market. I've been predicting this bull market here for quite some time. Finally, it looks like it's coming into fruition. But with that said, we still have some ways to go. We still have some time. I definitely see us taking down 1,400 this year. My target is just under 1,500, if not 1,500 for 2015. I'm sorry, for 2018. And that's what the gold chart looks like. We made some good purchases down here. Looks like the market might correct again. Maybe come down here to 1343 range. The one thing that we do have to be very careful of is that gold technically can come back down here, right? And then make its move to the top. It definitely can do that. If I'm looking at this weekly chart here, there's no reason why gold wouldn't be able to do, let's say, a move like this. Right, so you see the wedge that we're forming. So we can possibly come back down, test this wedge, and then break out above that. Based on that dollar chart, though, that's not what I am anticipating. I'm anticipating a little bit of corrections within just through time within the next couple of days, maybe weeks, and just continue to go higher. Break that $1,375 barrier. Take us all the way to 1,400. Let's look at silver here. Silver looks like silver also breaking through some nice resistance. My last video, if you've been looking at my analysis, I called a cup and handle formation. This is your cup and this is your handle. All right, and this cup and handle is targeting roughly 1875. I'm sorry, 1840. So if I take this, the size of this cup, and I put it where the support level is for silver, you can see that the target here is roughly 18 and a quarter, maybe 18 and a third here. So that's the target here for silver. I'm looking to buy some more. I really like this cup and handle formation. I'm trying to take it at 18 and a quarter here. And after that, again, silver will run into some resistance. We're going to have some resistance here at the 1820 level, another one 1860, another one at 1890. Ultimately, I do expect silver to continue to go much higher, and definitely this year I do see targets of at least $25 to $26 here for 2018. Okay, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.